Alright guys, well, I'm bringing y'all the Steeda Underdrive Pulleys for the 01 to 04 Mustang GT. That's mid 01 to 04 Mustang GT. Short water pump style. Ignore the background noise. I think the construction workers are working on something behind the house. Who knows? Maybe the squirrels in the trees are playing with each other. But anyways, this is gonna be an unbox. One-handed, of course, so I already cut it. Got out some paper. Alternator pulley. Got your bolt to start torquing your crank down. Another. This is the water pump pulley, I believe. Another box thing. This thing is solid. Good grief. Oh. That's your this right here is your crank pulley. Now the going rate for this set is about $250 US, of course. Let me see if I can spread it out on the table. About $250 US plus shipping. Now the reason for it being that high is because first of all, these aren't piggyback pulleys like some of the other competition is. The other competition is not gonna say cheap, but I'm gonna say that it's budget value, and these are actually the actual pulleys that you replace with. Another reason why it's so steep is you look at the balancer. They really put their work into it, and Steeda was the first company to actually team up with Ford and get their SFI approval on that. As you can see, they got the timing marks on the sides of it. 90 degrees. There's the SFI spec right there that I was just talking about. I'm assuming that's the part number. Steeda. And believe me, this thing is solid. This thing is heavy right there. I don't want to break the table. But you get your crank pulley, your water pump pulley, and this is huge. Compared to the factory water pump pulley, I can tell the difference. This is huge. And then you have your alternator pulley. And this bolt right here. Now what this bolt is for is when you first start to put this pulley on, you put this bolt in it to get her to walk on the crank. After it walks on a certain amount of time, then you go back and use the factory bolt and put that in. Now they say these underdrives will free up about 10 wheel horsepower and increase gas mileage, so that's a plus. Say it reduces 25% of parasitic drag. And on a rate of 1 to 5, I'm gonna say it's probably a 3 at installing. It's not hard, but you do gotta know what you're doing to not mess anything up. You need special tools, quote unquote, need special tools. But yeah, I rated a 3 out of 5 wrenches. And if you don't got a set, go get you a set. Quality pays off, man. Steeda Underdrive Pulleys for the mid 01 to 04 Mustang GT. Will fit the Crown Victorias too. I'm assuming 98 to 2011 Crown Victorias. Also similar, give or take, with the town cars and Mercury Marauders, Continentals, such like that. Panther platform items, pretty much. So yeah, go check it out, man. And oh, getting something. Check it out first. I guess this the warranty thing. Warranty for it. But yeah, go check it out, man. Steeda Underdrive Pulleys for the 4.6 2-valve